How to buy Tether USDT with PayPal. To begin, download Zengo from the App Store or Google Play and create an account on Zengo. A link to a tutorial video on how to create an account on Zengo is in the video description. Open the Zengo app, tap Buy and search USDT, and choose your desired blockchain. Today we will purchase on ETH. Enter your desired amount and tap Continue. Choose PayPal as your preferred payment method. Select your preferred provider. Enter your billing address. Make sure it matches a country that's supported. In some cases, you may be asked to provide additional documentation. Next, review the final price quote and tap Buy. That's it. Your purchase is on its way. Congratulations! Why is Zengo the best place to buy Tether? Let's break it down. Zengo is your all-in-one crypto wallet. Simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for pros. With Zengo, you can access your portfolio anytime, anywhere. Buy, trade, send, or receive crypto with no limits and no hidden fees. Your assets are protected with next-generation keyless security using MPC, 3-factor authentication, and facial recognition. Lost your device? No worries. Zengo's effortless recovery ensures you'll always regain access to your wallet and funds. And if you ever need help, real support agents are available directly in the app 24/7. Now let's move on to the frequently asked questions. Here, we'll cover the most common questions from our community and give you clear answers. Where can I buy USDT with PayPal securely? With Zengo, you can easily and securely buy USDT using PayPal. Our keyless wallet and advanced security keep your assets safe, while the simple interface makes crypto accessible for everyone. Prefer another method? Use credit cards, bank transfers, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. And if you ever need help, our team is available 24/7. How long does it take to buy Tether USDT on Zengo with PayPal? Buying Tether USDT on Zengo with PayPal usually takes a few minutes. The exact time may vary based on network congestion, payment processing time, and exchange partner. Zengo will notify you once the transaction is complete, and your USDT will be available in your wallet. Can you buy Tether USDT with PayPal without verification? To ensure security, Zengo works only with purchasing partners who are regulated and compliant with the AML and KYC rules. Hence, you cannot buy Tether, USDT, or other crypto assets on Zengo without verifying your identity and email address. The verification process is quick and easy, requiring only a photo of your ID and a selfie. Can you buy Tether USDT with PayPal under 18? Zengo works with purchasing partners who are regulated and compliant and follow the AML and KYC rules. You must be at least 18 years old and provide a valid ID to verify your identity and age before you can buy Tether, USDT, or any other crypto assets. Is Tether USDT safe? Tether USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, designed to offer stability and liquidity in the crypto market. However, it's not risk-free. Its safety depends on Tether Limited's reserves and transparency, which have faced controversy. Is it safe to buy Tether USDT on Zengo with PayPal? Buying USDT on Zengo is considered safe. Zengo is a keyless crypto wallet that protects your assets with biometric login, cloud backup, and advanced MPC security. It also adds 3FA and a Web3 firewall that blocks hacks, scams, and risky transactions. Thanks for watching. Start your crypto journey with Zengo today. Download the app and subscribe to our channel for more guides and updates.